former minister and TDP MLA Acham Naidu, who has been involved in ESA scam happened in Telugudesam party regime, has been reportedly arrested by ACB following the raids at his home and office on Friday morning. It is quite evident that the Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan, after coming to power in Andhra Pradesh, has ordered an inquiry into the corruption of Chandrababu Naidu's regime. Meanwhile, the ESA scam related to the Department of Labour has emerged, with Vigilance and Enforcement Department has exposed this massive scam. TDP senior leader Chandrababu Naidu's close associate Minister Acham Naidu is reported to have a major role in the scam. According to reports, Acham Naidu resorts to irregularities in ESI, where he has issued work order to a company named Telehealth Services Private Limited by receiving tender in nomination process. While the inquiry came to light, the Acham Naidu had put pressure on issuing order in the name of Telehealth Services. However, ACP officials arrested him this morning after it was revealed that he had a hand in corruption. He has been accused of amassing crores of rupees over the past 6 years in ESI scam. Officials have found that orders have been obtained by forging quotations from companies that are qualified. ESI directors have paid rupees 51 crores to companies that are not in the rate contract. The director of ESI found the two men responsible for the entire affair. The investigation showed that companies quoted tenders 136% higher than actual cost of the drug equipment. The investigation showed that rupees 85 crores were paid illegally. A doctor has already been arrested in this scam.